How to access Snapchat memories on Snapchat Wave. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch your preferred browser on your computer and go to wave.snapchat.com. After that, you need to log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, you might notice that there is no memories option available on Snapchat Wave, like you have on your phone. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't currently support viewing memories directly on the Wave version. So you can use the My Data option to access memories. For that, you have to click on your Bitmoji icon at top left corner, and from this drop-down select Account Settings. After that, you need to scroll down, choose My Data option, scroll down, and make sure that you check mark Memories and Other Media option. After that, you need to simply choose the date range and confirm the email address. After that, you can easily submit the request. Once you have done that, Snapchat will send you an email once your data is ready to download. Open the email, download the zip file and extract it. Inside the file, you will find your Snapchat memories that you can view on your computer. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.